guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Brittany with Full Hands and Hearts, and today's video is a video that I'm super excited about. It is an Aldi haul and a refrigerator clean and organization. I love the way that my refrigerator turned out, and so I'm excited to show you guys the items that we purchase for our family. We like to grocery shop bi-weekly, so everything you're seeing here is snacks, foods, lunches, breakfast for a family of 4 to last about 2 weeks. And our grocery budget runs us about $2.50 every 2 weeks, give or take. And we cannot say enough great things about Aldi, and these are all of our tried and true items, and I will show you guys here. There are some new items that we're really excited to try as well. If you have never tried these blueberry muffins, do yourself a favor and go out and get a box. They're, I don't know, under $2, and they're heavenly. And then these are all just snacks that we like to have around the house and items that we'll put in the kids' lunches. For the most part, we try to keep it pretty healthy. We are not perfect by any means, so there are some items in here that are less healthy than others, but for the most part, we're really big on fruit, veggies, yogurt, and things like that. And clearly these confetti mini muffins are not keeping it healthy, but it's okay. This here is some of the items we grabbed from the frozen food section. These raviolis are so easy for a quick dinner, and then we've never tried this before, so I'm excited to try the Mexican style fajita pizza. The Dippin' Strips are another really quick dinner option or lunch option, and they're so good, you guys. And I am a sucker for all things buffalo, and so I saw this buffalo chicken pizza and I had to get it. I'm not sure how it's going to taste, but I can't imagine that it wouldn't be good. And then we saw these country potatoes, so we decided to try those as well. These are new at Aldi. We've never seen them before, so they looked really good. I'm excited to try all of them. And then over here we have our fruits, our veggies. These are meant to last us about 2 weeks, but if you know anything about fruits and vegetables, they don't always last 2 weeks, especially raspberries, strawberries, blueberries. So we will go on the off week and pick up some additional fruit because, like I said earlier, we love fruit in this family, especially the kids. Anything that has the word berry in it, they are all on board. So we cannot have enough fruits and vegetables in our house. Aldi's guacamole is heavenly. Do yourself a favor and go and get some. The spinach and artichoke dip is one of my favorites. I always have to have the spinach and artichoke dip. And then Aldi also has a 7-layer dip that we have to pick up every single time we go there, if it's available, because it does sell out quickly. It's just so delicious and we cannot get enough of it. These are some of the household items that we get from Aldi. You cannot go wrong with the paper plates, paper towels, the trash bags are great. And then just a few weeks ago, we started seeing these H2O baby wipes in Aldi. They are very similar to the water wipes, and they're just under $5 for 3 packs. So they've been amazing. Jack has extremely sensitive skin, and they work great on him. And then this next clip here, I forgot to show you guys, is the Greek yogurt we always get. So here's an overview of what our refrigerator looks like before I cleaned and organized and put all the new groceries away. So stay tuned because the finished product is one that I'm so excited about.
You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me.
So tip number 1 for organizing is to take everything out so you have a fresh space to work with. So you'll see here I'm completely emptying the entire refrigerator, and then I'm going to give it a wipe down and make sure that it's clean and ready for the new organization system. And I'm also going through everything one by one to make sure that nothing's expired.
You were close to me, I can't believe what you brought. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it. How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it.
So you can organize your refrigerator for very little money, and a lot of people think that you have to go and spend $100 on containers, and that is not the case. The egg container I got from the Dollar Tree for $1, and then the clear acrylic containers I got from Aldi, and I think they were $6 a piece, maybe less, maybe $5 a piece. And then the gray containers that you see here are actually from Target. You get 2 little containers for $2, so they end up being $1 a piece. And then the other plastic containers that you're seeing here on the middle shelf, those are also from the Dollar Tree, so they were just $1. So I organized this refrigerator and spent under 20 bucks, and I think it turned out really nice. So once I got everything organized and put back in the refrigerator, I then began on the freezer. I have such a hard time keeping the freezer organized. It's just so tiny and there's so much food to go in there. So I did the best that I could, but the finished product was not one that I was overly in love with. I am so excited with how clean and organized the refrigerator looks. You can see everything that's in the refrigerator, so things don't go bad and the kids can just go in and grab a healthy snack.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
So as you can see, we love milk in this house. We go through a lot of it, and we actually make weekly milk runs because what you're seeing here is not enough to get us through 2 weeks.
Figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down.
If you have seen my kitchen cleaning video, then you have seen me organize this cabinet. We have such limited cabinet space and it makes it really difficult. So I'm doing my best here, just trying to figure out the best way to organize all of our snacks and our sides for dinner and just miscellaneous items like chips. If you guys have any tips for how you store chips or granola in your home, pretty please leave it in the comments below. I just have not found an organization system for those items that I really love.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Whenever I'm organizing the snacks into the cabinet, I always take everything out of the boxes and organize them into the containers. And if your family is anything like mine and you leave the snacks in the boxes, somebody inevitably will take the last chocolate granola bar, leave the box in the cabinet, and there are few things more heartbreaking than going to grab your favorite chocolate bar and then the box is empty. But all jokes aside, I think it's just easier to see the snacks and it just makes everything cleaner and less cluttered.
My heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, mad love, mad love, mad love. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh.
So next I'm just going to fill up our little cracker containers. If you have not seen my Dollar Tree video, I will link it right here in the cards, but I show you guys how I organize all of our snacks in these little containers that I got just for $1 at the Dollar Tree. But these make it so easy for the kids to just go and grab a little container and have a snack. And we try to put pretty healthy snacks that are easy to just grab and go.
I can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do. My love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, let me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love. He got my love. He got my love, he got my love. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all. Yeah. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe inside.
This is the part that drives me absolutely crazy. We just don't have space, and I don't know what else to do with this bottom cabinet. I don't know. If you have any tips or ideas, help a girl out, because this bottom part always gets destroyed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it or you felt motivated and ready to organize and tackle your kitchen, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I love filming cleaning and organization videos. They are my absolute favorite. And if there are any areas in your home that you need organization tips for, leave those areas in the comment section below. And again, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.